Hey there, in this video we'll explore Foxit PDF Editor's advanced conversion tools and OCR features. Whether you're converting files or making scanned documents searchable, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. And next, moving on to the Convert tab, we're going to look at 3 different ways that we can easily convert files based on our different workflows that we prefer. Starting, of course, with the tab up at the top where I can select a single file or multiple files and convert them, and also choose exactly how I would like to do these conversions when it comes to CAD files and Office files in particular. But for instance, if I would like to maybe use the File Explorer to highlight a group of files so I can easily use the context menu within Windows to now convert, combine, or batch print these files to Foxit PDF Editor, I can also drag, maybe for instance, a Word file into Foxit, have it auto print and convert from Word into PDF, so then I'll be able to create a form out of my HIPAA form here. But back up to the top where we can generate blank documents, we're also able to create and start from a lot of different templates that we have preloaded into Foxit PDF Editor. We can also export all images, for instance, from a heavy image-based document like this one below, but I can also take this PDF file and convert it to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, but also choose exactly how I would like to specify my conversion when it comes to the Office formats and how it's going to print them. Next, we have the OCR tool, where if I need to add editable or searchable text, for instance, to maybe, a converted image that can come from a scanner, or maybe, for instance, an image taken from our phone, then add searchable or editable text to it to be able to work with it a lot easier. And I can do that on a current file, multiple files, or select a region within a document and then OCR that in particular. For my example here, I'll choose the current file I have open. I can then, of course, choose a page range if I have multiple. I can also choose the language, just depending on where the document's origin is from. I may choose multiple languages or a single language to detect the text and have it be searchable or editable. And lastly, the output. Again, how would I like to see the searchable text, whether it be the original image or also have editable text as well. And lastly, we have a tool down below called Find All Suspects, and I'll be able to show exactly how this works after the conversion is done. But during the OCR process, it's going to straighten and deskew the document. It's also, again, going to retype all of the text for me, so now I can edit it. And lastly, here is the OCR Suspects window. From here, I'll be able to select any kind of icons or images, for instance, and tell the OCR engine to leave this as is and let it know it's not text. But for the rest of this, I'll be able to choose Check All, choose Accept, and be immediately able to now edit this text from our image. And that's it. Now I can right click, I can spell check, it'll automatically choose the closest font, color, and style for me to immediately use. But also, it's very smart when it comes to image detection. It's going to skip over this image in the middle here, but still allow me to edit the rest of the document in the text below. And next, here on the Convert tab, Quick Recognition, which is going to use the last OCR preferences that you had selected. Or lastly, we have pre-flight information, so if I need to convert a document or maybe convert it to a different standard such as PDF, A, E, or X, we'll be able to use the pre-flight tool here to help with that conversion as well. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll take a closer look at Foxit's powerful editing and organization tools, helping you fine-tune your PDFs with ease. Please click on the next video to keep learning. If you're ready to get more done using Foxit, request a quote or contact a reseller today.